Changing a subscription on MyCase can help you better manage your legal practice and ensure you have the features you need. Follow these steps to successfully update your subscription. Step 1. Log into your MyCase account. Access your MyCase account by entering your username and password on the login page. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any access issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, typically found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your subscription details. Step 3. Select subscription options. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled subscription or billing. Click on it to view your current subscription plan and available options for upgrades or downgrades. Step 4. Choose your new subscription plan. Review the different subscription plans available. Select the one that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Make sure to read the features and pricing associated with each plan. Step 5. Confirm changes and payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily change your subscription on MyCase to better suit your practice's needs. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MyCase customer support for assistance.